Okay, what's up everyone? In this video, I'm going to show you all how you can connect Portable, which is a long tail ETL cloud-based tool, to Orchestra. So I guess we can kind of go ahead and check. Portable is pretty awesome, very similar to some other cloud-based ETL tools out there in terms of having a super slick UI and really being able to move data around from source to destination easily. I think for me there are kind of two USPs here. The team is super responsive and they have over 1,000 connectors, which is pretty incredible. And of course, there's also pricing. So everything's kind of fixed. So if you've got some data in some hard to reach API, you can kind of move that data for a fixed price, which is obviously great compared to some of the other usage-based billing models out there. So for me, I'm going to go ahead and connect Portable to Orchestra. What this will allow me to do is trigger and monitor Portable syncs alongside some other processes I've got going. So at the moment, I can see this is my basic kind of analytics pipeline, which I use at the moment. And I'm using five-tron at the moment. Sorry, I shouldn't have said that, but yeah, I am. But we can replace that out with Portable really quickly. So what you do is you go ahead and make a new connection. So I'm going to call this Portable production, and then you go ahead and get your API token. Just go and get that. Okay, and that works, great. Cool, so now I'm going to go ahead into my pipeline and I'm going to add my Portable task. So data from my API, and I'm going to add the flow. Cool, and then that's done. Right, let's refresh this. Let's run it and see how long that takes. Cool, so we can see the run has been created. Everything's kind of cracking on. Okay. Cool. So five-tron's finished taking data from HubSpot. Still waiting on Portable to get the data from the API. Okay, that's done. So that's good. What's quite nice is that if you wanted to go ahead and check on the connection, if the connection fails, or go ahead and view something in Portable, you can do that. And obviously we have the flow ID too. Cool. So now Orchestra's triggering dbtcloud. You can see that we've got the job ID here as well. Looks like dbtcloud has accepted the message, which is great. Now we're going to go ahead and refresh Lightdash. Awesome. Look at that. Amazing. So yeah, that's how you use Orchestra to connect to Portable, and that's how you integrate Portable into your data pipelines. Hope you enjoyed, and if anyone